In this video, we present Lashups, a toolkit for creating location-aware mashups for mobile devices. More specifically, we show how our toolkit can be used to easily create and distribute two lightweight, location-aware applications built from existing web content. Our first application is a static web page which provides visitor information for a university. The programmer wants this web page to be easily accessible via a mobile phone for anyone that is on campus, and will leverage Lashup's location-aware content distribution to do this. He begins by first building an HTML page in the traditional manner. He goes to the Lashup website via a browser on his computer and registers his new page. He specifies that the page should be made available to anyone who is at a location tagged with the keyword Stanford. Next, he opens the Lashup client on his phone. He is currently at the university and wants to tag this location as part of Stanford. He chooses an option to tag his current location and types in Stanford. This tag is associated with his current cell tower on the Lashup server. The programming is now done. Whenever anyone accesses the Lashup client while on Stanford's campus, they will be presented with a link to the programmer's new page. Our second application is a Lashup allowing users to quickly locate nearby coffee shops. The programmer wants to leverage Google's mobile search, but doesn't want to bother end users with typing in their current location. She begins by visiting Google's page on her phone. She searches for coffee near her current latitude and longitude coordinates. She then records the URL she is directed to. Next, she creates a simple PHP web page that will be registered with the Lashup server. Whenever this page is accessed from a Lashup client, the user's current cell tower information is automatically passed as part of the GET request to her web page. She uses the Lashup API to request the latitude and longitude coordinates that this tower has been tagged with on the Lashup server. She then uses this information to construct a URL to perform the appropriate search at Google and redirects the user there. Finally, she registers her new application with the Lashup server. She specifies that the Lashup requires latitude and longitude information and specifies the range of coordinates where she believes her application is useful. Now, when any user accesses the Lashup client from a location that is tagged with coordinates inside this region, her application will be presented to the user. The Lashup API presents many more features for writing Lashup applications than we have detailed here. For instance, it supports callbacks so that push-based applications can be written. With these calls, it is straightforward to write a Lashup which allows users to set reminders. After registering a reminder, such as buy milk, whenever a user visits a location tagged with a specific keyword, such as supermarket, he will receive an SMS message reminding him of his task. A complete API specification is available at hci.stanford.edu/lashups.